What's up, peeps? And this is the money here. We're gonna create some GANGSTER pictures. So first one I did before the video was this one. Look at that, I made that. So I'm gonna do a different one. Let's do, well, that's my cousin right there, so my dear, and let's do downloads, and these are all I downloaded, and I guess we have to do this one then. So let's customize him. Let's have him a big, since he's Big Bird, he gets a big smoke. He gets big weed. Why are you talking? Okay. So, there we go. That's a big one for Big Bird. Has Big Bird listening? What is that? Oh, I don't get it. Is that Black Man or something? Whoa, dude, that looks like Minecraft. Look at all that cigarettes. Let's do this tiny one for him. No. That's for later. Sorry. Okay. I need that one. Okay. This is so gay. Okay, let's get some glasses for them. For MLG. Oh, we need to turn it. Jeez. Have you been drinking, bro? Have you been drinking? Weed? No. Okay, we're done with Big Bird now. We gotta do Cookie Monster. Let's just get him a necklace. We'll do hat next. Oh, nah, I don't like that one. I like the money one. For money. Money. Ah. I think that will work. Little money boy. I think emoji. I think you look a little bit fabulous. Nah, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I like those. I like those. Or make them a little bit tinier. I think that's good. Let's go back to. Let's go to Elmo now. Let's give him this now. Frick. Oh, we forgot to give Big Bird a necklace. I'll get him a big one. I'll give him a big money one. No, that won't fit. Just a little bit smaller. Like that, yeah. Yeah, that looks awesome. We just need glasses for Elmo. Oh, I like those. Those look GANGSTER. Oh, those are too big for him. It's like those glasses are too big for. Okay. Yeah, I like that actually. Well, we can't put hats because their eyeballs are on like the top of their head, so that's just weird. Or I can get a little crown for Elmo. I'll give a little crown. He's a champion. So, ooh, I like that. I like that right there. That looks so good. And tell me if you guys like it. I'll see you guys in another Dog Life sticker photo. See you guys again. Bye. And just save the photo. I'll see you guys again. Brrr. Brrr.